Hi, I'm Reid, Regional Sales Manager here at Heartland RVs, and I have the privilege to bring to you today the Sundance 262 RB travel trailer. Yes, folks, this is the outside. Underneath the beautiful awning here, our power awning is one of our big selling features here with the Sundance travel trailer. Notice how you got your LED lighted strip. You also have your marine grade lighted exterior speakers. Over here we have our 18-gallon per hour hot water heater that is gas and electric. Outside vents, you got your outside 110 here. On to my right here, we have a huge 30-inch friction hinge entry door. Yes, folks, you don't have to have that black plastic dinghy hanging off the side that breaks off periodically. Now you just have a friction hinge entry door, being 30 inches wide. We also have the big grab handle here to help assist you getting into the unit. And we also have aluminum stairways here, a triple step aluminum step to get into the camper. Moving towards the front of the unit, one of our other key selling features is our pass-through storage in the front. This is a 1-inch insulated door, magnetic door catches. It is a slam latch. Inside here you can see how the pass-through goes all the way through. It's finished on all the sides. We do give you a light from end to end. Some of our competitors give you a small puck light that goes on one end and the other end. We give it to you all the way through. Another feature is all of our plywood decking on the top, and it's also got an aluminum structure on it. In the front side of the 262 RB Sundance travel trailer, we feature our optional power tongue jack. Controls up and down so you don't have to crank it anymore, and it also has a light on the end. We have 20-pound LP bottles here with a cover on it. We also feature a fiberglass two-tone painted front cap. We also have the LED lights here on the inside, which helps assist you in hooking up and disconnecting at night as well. We also have the Furrion solar prep option here. Featured on the back side of our travel trailer, up top you're going to notice that we have backup camera ready. So we put the camera up there, it's prepped for you to purchase the front end of the system. We also have a spare tire standard on the back here on the back bumper. A tube bumper is also a big feature back here. Here, in this area here, we have all your connections to hook up to the campsite. We have satellite prep, cable prep, your city water hookup, and your black tank flush. Yes, all of our travel trailers come standard with a black tank flush. We also have a spray port hose here in the back. All of our units are standard with 30 amp service, but this one features our optional 50 amp service, which will give you brighter lights and an opportunity to put 2 air conditioners on this travel trailer if you'd like. We have our laminated aluminum studded sidewalls here. We also do a laminated slide box. Our slide boxes are laminated. A lot of manufacturers just build up their slide boxes and you can push on them and they're loose. Also on the bottom side here, we have our 7-layer laminated slide out floor. It also has an ABS protection on the back, on the bottom side, so water can't penetrate up. A lot of our competitors will paint the bottom of that or put a Darko underbelly on there, which is a paper.